Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to use the dash camera GD016N. Please download the Call DVR app via your phone and open this app. You can log in via WeChat or Facebook or create an account. Log in via WeChat. Also, back to the Wi-Fi, you can
GPS is located.
search the Wi-Fi ID and input the password 1234567A connect, and back to the app, add device.
User requests finding. Press the key to confirm in 5 seconds.
Press here.
Agreed.
You can find the device should be connect here. Then open this video. Here is the front camera and check the back camera. Also, you can press here to take photos.
Short video.
Then you will find here have a video. Also, you can roll here to find the video. Back side. You can find the GPS check history here. Also, these are DVR file and DVR settings. You can set the specification. Also, delete the other user.